Hello, welcome to Home Cocktails. In these times, we got to make home cocktails. And today's drink is going to be a relatively low alcoholic content cocktail. It is called the Bitter Giuseppe. The base for the Bitter Giuseppe is one of my favorite cocktails, is Amaro. Amaro, the Italian liqueur full of herbaceous ingredients, and one of my favorite, if not my favorite Amaros, Cynar. I can drink Cynar on the rocks, I can drink Cynar in tonic, Cynar with a twist, whatever. But the main ingredient is Cynar, and what we do is each cocktail has 2 ounces of Cynar. So we take the Cynar, 2 ounces, put it in. The next thing that this Bitter Giuseppe has is vermouth, red vermouth. And I use Carpano Antico. Trust me, do not use cheap vermouth in any cocktail whatsoever. Throw away your cheap vermouth because you don't want to ruin a good drink with something cheap and low quality. Carpano is pretty good. You can't go to Costco to get it anymore, but you can get it at your liquor store. 1 ounce, so 2, 1. Now, here's a little secret. The next thing is lemon. I've already squeezed it, so you've got 1/4 ounce of lemon in here, and you add that. Now, bitters. These are orange bitters. I like Regans. You could use many kinds of orange bitters. About 6 dashes. Put it in there. And now we're ready to stir. Here we go. Yeah, come on. Bitter Giuseppe. Take the Bitter Giuseppe. Now, here's a big trick for cocktails. First of all, get a nice glass. This is a white, clear highball glass from Costco. Actually, not Costco, Amazon. Get these nice big cube makers, and they make every cocktail look good. Boom. And you're ready. You take your Bitter Giuseppe, you pour it over the rocks. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Can't wait. Push this bad boy down a bit. Boom. And for the final touch, I'm going to take a little bit of lemon, just peel that guy back, and get a little of that nice lemon in there like that. Drop it in, and salute. Enjoy.